name is Natalia and I'm part of the corporate team at Quatro Legal. Today I'll be talking about a topic that, while sometimes difficult, is important to understand: divorce in Costa Rica. If you're thinking about taking this step, it's normal to feel overwhelmed, but understanding the legal process and having the support of a legal professional can make the situation more manageable. And taking action is the first step toward this new stage of your life. In Costa Rica, divorce can occur in two ways: by mutual consent or through the courts. First, there's divorce by mutual consent. This is the easy route to divorce. It refers to those cases in which a couple has decided to separate, but fortunately they are on the same page and reach an agreement on aspects such as the division of marital property, child custody, and alimony payments. It's simpler, it's faster, and it's less expensive. This type of divorce can be processed before a notary public, for which a divorce agreement is drawn up in a public deed that both parties sign. And just like that, they are officially divorced with no unnecessary drama. The divorce agreement must contain the following points. First, the indication of who will have custody and education of minor children, if there are any. This should include visitation arrangements, conditions, and schedules. Second, indication of which spouse will assume the obligation of supporting said children and the proportion in which they are obligated, as well as the establishment of child support, if applicable. Third, the establishment of the right or not to alimony between the spouses and the amount for which they are obligated. This can be waived. And finally, the decision on the distribution of assets. If there are no minor children or assets to divide, the divorce agreement will be submitted directly to the Civil Registry of Costa Rica for approval and registration. If there are minor children or assets to distribute, the deed containing the divorce agreement must be presented to the family court that will approve the process. The second route, for those cases in which you and your ex-partner do not agree, is the divorce process through the courts. Either of you can file the divorce in the family court based on the grounds regulated by Costa Rican law. In summary, grounds for divorce include: if your partner is being unfaithful, if your partner has put you or your children in danger, attempting to force your partner and children into something harmful, such as prostitution, physical or emotional abuse toward you or your children, judicial separation for more than 1 year if during that period you have not reconciled, if your partner has disappeared and has been declared legally absent, separation for a period of no less than 3 years in the case that it has not been declared by a court, the request of one of the parties due to incompatibility of character after 6 months from the celebration of the marriage. Basically, you can file for divorce based on irreconcilable differences after that period of 6 months. And finally, the mutual consent of both spouses, as we have already explained. In any case, in both routes, having a good lawyer in the divorce process is fundamental. At Quatro Legal, we are happy to help you in this process. For more information, visit us at quatro.legal and go to our news section. If you don't find what you're looking for, please write to us and let us know. We will be happy to create a blog or video for you.